10 steps to mindfulness meditation. Create your time and space right now. Today we are doing, and regularly you can do this less than 5 minutes to start with. Slowly you can increase it to 30 to 45 minutes. We will set a time for about 5 minutes, like a flash meditation. You find yourself comfortable in your sitting posture, or if you want to make yourself comfortable, you can do that. And next 5 minutes, you will not be able to move so much. Check your posture. Sit up straight, hands in a comfortable position. Keep the neck long. Very slowly, take your tongue to the roof of your palate, within the mouth. You're touching the soft palate with your tongue. You will feel little tingling sensation, but it will help you to focus better. Spiritual masters call it as a Khechari Mudra, or it is like a reboot of energy levels. Take deep breath in, gentle breathing out. Take deep breath in, gentle breathing out. Breathe in, breathe out. Feel the air touching your nostrils, going deep into the throat, into the depth of your lungs, diaphragm. When you breathe out, the same warm, deoxygenated air will come out. The same route, lungs, trachea, back of your throat, nostrils, you feel a warm air going out. What is the meditation all about? Is simply being aware of breathing in and breathing out. This was the first meditation described in Vijnana Bhairava Tantra scriptures of India, and this was the first technique used by Buddha, and he got enlightened with this simple breath awareness. No Om, no God, no visualization, nothing, absolutely nothing. Your breathing itself is a energy, the vitality or the strength which will connect you to the source of your origin. Maintain your attention on your breathing. Mind will try to take you to somewhere else. Mind can move faster. Mind's dimension is different. You're directing your attention to your breath. Maintain the attention to your breath. Only these two techniques you're doing. Direct your attention to your breathing. Maintain your attention towards the breath. Don't be harsh to yourself. Let any thoughts come in, go out, no problem. Be kind to yourself. Occasionally your focus drifts away from your breathing, no problem. Again, focus your attention on your breathing. Gentle breathing in, breathing out. Gentle breathing in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. You have learnt the technique of mindfulness breathing with these 10 steps being taught to you. Simplest 5 minutes, 1 minute preparation, 5 minutes meditation. You're slowly preparing yourself for softer landing. Beautiful words. You're using your mind to land it back to your body consciousness. Slowly, from being aware of your breathing in and breathing out, gently come back to your body consciousness. Move your neck side by side gently once. Adopt Namaskara Mudra. Rub your hands towards each other. Massage onto your face, forehead, cheeks, front of your ear, back of your ear, neck muscles. Very slowly and gently come back to body consciousness. And you are energized for the full day with this flash meditation. 10 steps to mindfulness meditation.